You asked how to divide 101,640 by 280 using the long division method. 1 is too small. 10 is too small. 101 is too small. Use 1016. 1016 divided by 280 equals 3. 3 times 280 equals 840. 1016 minus 840 equals 176. Bring down 4, making 1764. 1764 divided by 280 equals 6. 6 times 280 equals 1680. 1764 minus 1680 equals 84. Bring down 0, making 840. 840 divided by 280 equals 3. 3 times 280 equals 840. 840 minus 840 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 363.